Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get started with QuickBooks. First, choose the QuickBooks version that aligns with your business size and needs, whether it's online, desktop, or self-employed. Next, set up your company file by entering crucial information like your business name and address. Finally, connect your bank and credit card accounts to enable automatic transaction imports, saving you significant time and reducing manual entry errors. Now, let's organize your finances. Customize your chart of accounts to reflect your specific business income and expense categories. This ensures accurate tracking. Then, enter any initial transactions, including opening balances for your bank accounts and loans. It's crucial to categorize each transaction correctly as it comes in. Proper categorization is key for generating meaningful financial reports and understanding your business's performance. Managing your cash flow is vital. QuickBooks allows you to easily create and send professional invoices to your customers, ensuring you get paid on time. Once payments are received, accurately record them to keep your accounts receivable up to date. For clients with regular services, set up recurring invoices. This automates your billing process, saving you time and ensuring consistent income without manual effort each period. Finally, leverage QuickBooks for powerful insights. Generate key financial reports like the profit and loss statement to understand your business's performance. Regularly reconcile your bank and credit card statements to ensure all transactions are accurate and accounted for. This step is critical for maintaining financial integrity. And speaking of smart solutions, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to upgrade your home or office cleaning routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.